How to fix if you're not receiving verification code or OTP code on iPhone from an app or website. So if you want to fix that you're not receiving your verification code or OTP on your iPhone from an app or website, then what you need to do is first you need to restart your phone, because sometimes restarting the phone fixes many issues. Now the next thing is make sure that the phone number that you have entered in the website or in that app should be correct. So double check the phone number. If the phone number is not correct, then you won't be able to get the verification code. So make sure that the SIM card that you have used in your iPhone is working. So try to make a call and check if the SIM card is working or not. So once you've done with all of these steps, the other thing that you'll need to do is swipe the iPhone screen from the upper right corner to open the control center and then enable the airplane mode. After enabling it for a few seconds, then you just need to simply go and disable. Now after that, sometimes just toggling on the airplane mode on and off will fix your issue. Now the next thing you need to make sure is that the Wi-Fi is working properly. In your iPhone, sometimes you might see the Wi-Fi connection icon on your phone, but actually the Wi-Fi might not be working. So open any YouTube video or any other website or any other application to check if your Wi-Fi in your phone is working. After that, you need to open up your settings and you have to go with the message icon. So scroll down and then go with the messages, go with apps, go with messages, and here if you scroll down, then you will have an option of filter unknown senders. So if you have enabled this option, then you just need to simply go and disable it. After that, the other thing you'll need to do is again open up your settings, and then now you need to go with the general section. So after opening your settings, here you will have general, tap on general, and then scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, which is on the bottom, and here you will have reset network settings. So click on it and then enter your password, and after entering your password, you need to go and proceed and reset your network setting. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.